how to clear your watch history on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your own Facebook, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log in because I haven't actually logged in to that Facebook. Basically after you log in and everything, just go ahead and just move along to the next step. Let me close this window and close that last window right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on my menu at the below right corner, click on the settings here at the top right, and from there just scroll a little bit down until you find the activity log, and you're gonna see it at the first option. Click on it, and basically you're gonna see your activity across your Facebook, and basically you're gonna see your Facebook activity, comments and reactions, messages, saved items, and reels. Just go ahead right here and just click on the watched history, and basically on the reels you're gonna manage to find all of your videos or the watching history onto your onto your videos, right? And basically what you're gonna do, just click on it and just move it to trash, right? And just move it to trash, and the same goes with everyone, right? And just hit trash right here, and if you want to click all in one click, if you have too many videos that you watched, just go ahead and do it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.